Okay, now we're gonna back it up and we're gonna go around the tree, okay? Can you say hi? All right, back it up. Hi. Go around the tree. Back it up. And then come back. Round tree. And we hit tree. Back it up, boy. Not supposed to hit it. Go around the tree. This is what he calls round tree. Bring it home. Good job.
Wow.
Did you go around that tree?
Yeah.
How many times did you go around? Hey.
Here.
Yeah? Did you hit the tree?
D.
Why'd you do that?
D.
Hey, hi. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Say bye.